Hello. Now that we've finished the Romney, we're going to go ahead and clean down the Brothers Power Picker. So the machine's off, the belt is turned down to 0, and then we're going to get some tools. And I like, if there is a foxtail, I can pull it out, and this tool I can clean up. This roller, and then we can clean up the roller on the bottom. And notice that there is some fiber in the bearings. We'll take care of that. And we can go underneath and clean from underneath. So you can see we can get quite a bit of it from underneath. And I have a good tool for the fiber that's stuck around the bearing and the intake shaft. And so once we get that at a point where we can go ahead and advance the roller, we come up and turn it on and slowly roll those intake rollers around. Stop them, stop the machine. Wait for that large drum to stop spinning. And then we go ahead and we work on a little bit more. We do this, repeat this process all the way around the intake rollers. And then for the fiber that's in the bearing, we would just use that. We can actually get in here, and because it's pretty tight, so we're going to go ahead and see if we can loosen it up a little bit. We can do that from the bottom also. Let's see if we can get that with our fluff catcher. So we would go ahead and do that all the way around. And so now we can go ahead and turn our attention to the large drum. So I'm going to slap the emergency stop and pull my catch cage out of the way. And I can use the same tools, and actually I kind of like to use this brush to move things around. And get any stray fiber that might be hanging out on the teeth. And we would do that through the whole rotation of the drum until we get all the way around. And there are places on the that we would want to double check and make sure there's no fiber that's stuck here. And then on this side, near this bearing. And of course we would still want to remove the fiber that's around the front bearings.